Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's Multicultural Astronomy, we continue our look at Chinese astronomy, and we'll talk about the astronomer Su Song and look at his contributions to our understanding of the universe. So let's go ahead and get started here. By the time of the Song dynasty around the 11th century, Chinese astronomy had become highly organized and deeply connected to engineering and technology. Astronomers were not only observing the sky, they were building instruments, designing mechanical devices, and creating systems to keep time with great precision. One of the most remarkable figures of this era was Su Song, a scholar, engineer, and astronomer who lived from 1020 to 1101. He is best known for creating one of the most extraordinary machines of the medieval world, an enormous astronomical clock tower that modeled the motion of the heavens. In imperial China, accurate timekeeping was essential. The calendar regulated agriculture, festivals, and state ceremonies. Astronomers were responsible not only for predicting eclipses and tracking the planets, but also for ensuring that the official calendar remained accurate. To do this, they needed reliable ways to measure time and connect the motion of the heavens with the ticking of the hours on Earth. Su Song set out to solve this problem with an ambitious mechanical solution. Around the year 1090, Su Song oversaw the construction of a massive clock tower in the Song capital of Kaifeng. This was not just a clock. It was a complex water-powered machine that combined timekeeping, astronomy, and mechanical engineering. Water flowed through the system at a steady rate, driving a series of gears and mechanisms. At the top of the tower, an armillary sphere rotated, modeling the motion of the heavens. Inside the tower, mechanical figures appeared at regular intervals, ringing bells or striking drums to mark the hours. One of the most important figures of the tower was its escapement mechanism, a device that regulated the motion of the gears and allowed the clock to keep a steady rhythm. This was one of the earliest known uses of such a mechanism anywhere in the world. Su Song's tower was more than a timekeeping device. It was a physical model of the universe as it was understood at the time. As the clock's gears turned, the celestial sphere rotated, the positions of the stars were displayed, and the motions of the heavens were reflected in the movement of the machine. In this way, the tower connected the passage of time on Earth with the movements of the sky above. It was a powerful symbol of harmony between the human world and the cosmos. One of the most remarkable things about Su Song's work is that detailed drawings of this clock tower have survived. These illustrations show gears, shafts, water channels, and the structure of the tower itself. They are among the earliest detailed mechanical diagrams known from the medieval world. Although the original tower was later destroyed during warfare, its design lived on through these records. Su Song's clock tower was more than an engineering marvel. It was a machine designed to keep time, model the heavens, and serve the needs of the state. Through his work, astronomy, engineering, and governance were brought together in a single extraordinary device. So that concludes this week's episode of Multicultural Astronomy, looking at the Chinese astronomer Su Song. We'll be back again next week to talk about another Chinese astronomer. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.